It has antioxidant and antiviral properties and is said to be a good source of vitamins, especially vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, as well as folic acid. Health benefits of pomegranate juice. Number 1. Boosts heart health. Pomegranate juice helps to keep the arteries flexible and decreasing the inflammation in the lining of the blood vessels. It is known to reduce atherosclerosis, which is one of the leading causes of heart disease. It lowers the risk of blockage in the arteries, which can cause a restriction in the flow of blood to the heart and brain. In other words, it has an anti-atherogenic effect on the heart. Number 2. Prevents cancer. Pomegranates contain high levels of antioxidants called flavonoids. These flavonoids are known to be effective in counteracting various cancer-causing free radicals. People that face a high risk of prostate and breast cancer should start drinking pomegranate juice, as it will help them reduce the risk of developing cancer. Regular consumption of pomegranates can reduce the PSA levels in the body and aid in the fight against existing cancer cells in the body. Number 3. Treat anemia. Anemia is a condition caused by the deficiency of red blood cells in the body. Since pomegranate juice contains ample amount of iron, it helps in surmounting the red blood cell deficiency in the body. Number 4. An excellent anti-aging agent. A diet high in pomegranate juice can help to slow down the process of aging by reducing wrinkles and fine lines caused by constant exposure to sun. It also helps to sustain the regeneration of the skin cells and prevents hyperpigmentation and occurrence of dark spots and gives you a glowing skin. Number 5. Prevents arthritis. Being rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, pomegranates are extremely healthy for those suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and other types of arthritis and joint inflammation. Number 6. Boosts immunity. Pomegranates are also rich in vitamin C, which boosts antibody production and helps in the development of immunity. Pomegranates can thus help you maintain a healthy immune system and keep common illnesses and infections at bay. Number 7. Improves memory. Drinking 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily may improve learning and memory. According to a recent study, it also reduces the possibility of developing Alzheimer's disease among older generations. Precautions. Most people don't experience negative side effects when they consume pomegranate juice. However, it's possible to be allergic to pomegranates. It's important for everyone not to overdo it on any juice, including pomegranate. It's best to talk with your doctor before drinking pomegranate juice every day.